Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add a custom CSS using a custom module in Odoo 19. So this is the folder structure that we have to follow, that is init, manifest, static, source, CSS, custom backend CSS, custom frontend CSS. Okay, so you have to create the directory with the help of this. Now custom add-ons, the name of the module init.py. So here you need to add the Python module. Okay, so let's dive into the code level directly. So this is the module, right? Custom add-ons, technical Rajni custom CSS. Open the init.css. So there's nothing. Manifest, we have to add all the technical specification of the module, assets, web.assets.frontend, and this is the static source, the path of it, and the backend CSS. Okay, so this is that one, right? After that, these are the two main files in the static: source CSS, custom backend CSS, custom frontend CSS. Okay, so let's manipulate the frontend CSS right now. And if I go to my code here, so currently I'm gonna change the footer of it. Okay, so let's gonna inspect this one, add this background red. Okay, I'm gonna, and the color should be white. Okay, or you can add hash 000. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this rule and paste it in our CSS file. Okay, so here is a custom front-end CSS. Okay, I'm gonna add this one. Okay, now I need to check first it is compiled or not. I think it is not compiled, so I'm gonna run this via terminal, restart this. Okay, now I'm gonna check this, the red color is coming or not. See, so this is how you are able to add the custom CSS for the front end and the back end. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.